Today we are going to start a new series of MS Word. As you know, MS Word is an application software which is related to office work, where we can type a letter, format the letter, isn't it? That means office work can be done with the help of Microsoft Word or any other version of the Word. So in this series we will learn the topics which are visible to the screen, that is header footer, formatting of paragraph, mail merge, envelope and labels, page columns, hyperlink, drop cap. Drop cap and hyperlink are very important options, isn't it? So these all the options we are going to learn in the series of MS Word. But we will learn all other things as well in this series, like how to open the file, how to save the file, how to insert the tags, isn't it? And how set the paragraph. We will do that also, but these are the major parts which every person going for an office work should have knowledge about it. Okay, so don't waste time. Let's start for the first topic. And before starting the first topic, we will start how we can open the Microsoft Word. As I think everybody knows how to start, we have to click a right click on the desktop. Their MS Word option is there in the new, and we will double click on that and the Word will open. The window will be like this, isn't it? Some persons may be familiar about that window. If you are not familiar with this window, then it's very easy like any other editor, right? So this is a window having the menus, having tabs, the editing window. We can say like this. This tab is called as quick access toolbar that displays a quick access button. That means you can click here for save. See, there are the button save, and ribbon is there for the commands, right? For a shortcut command, zoom control is there for zoom in and out, isn't it? Status bar is there for displaying the status, right? You can see status, how many pages you have covered, or how many pages you have work. This is for status bar. Then the next is file tab menu. File tab menu is related to the files, the tab which are related to the file. That, for example, if you want to enter the numbers, the bullets, the formatting of the text, alignment of the text. So this is the file tab menu. That is, all the tabs are there related to the office work. Whenever you type a letter and you need the options, there are the options available for you, isn't it? So this is the main window of your MS Word. For example, you want to type something and the first question in your mind is that you want to save the file, isn't it? You have already learned this concept in other softwares, but in MS Word it's very similar to that. You have to go with the save or save as. Save is for first time saving, but we will not give the save because it is already a new Microsoft document there. So we will go with the save as option, and then we will choose the path and we will type the name the name we want, isn't it, for our Microsoft Word document. So we will type the name as like Word, and we will click on the save button. So the file will be automatically saved on the path that is on desktop. When we go to the desktop and we will see the file will be there. Like the name is mentioned here, the file is here, Word. You can directly double click from here and open the file, right? So there are other options also. Open the file, you can open from there, or you can open by double clicking on that, isn't it? So you will double click on that, it will automatically open, and you can do the rest of the things, isn't it? Okay, so how we create the file with the new, then we will save, then we can use the open. There are various shortcuts for this. We will learn all the shortcuts and all the things in this series of MS Word. But today what we have to learn, the first topic, that is called as the first topic, which is very, very important, that is called as your header and footer, isn't it? Header and footer, as a name indicates, it's the heading and the foot, means at the head, at the foot. It may be something which is at the head, at the foot. Then what is the main, work of it? What will be the main work? Main work will be like that. For example, if I want a if I want a particular text repeatedly for every pages. For example, in a Microsoft Word you have a 10 pages and you want the same heading for the all the 10 pages, isn't it? Same heading for the all 10 pages, like page number, isn't it? Like your chapter number. You must have been seen that in your notebooks or in your books. If the chapter number, if the chapter goes for 10 pages, then the chapter 1 will be for the 10 pages. And you must have seen in your notebooks page number, date is available there, isn't it? So how this is happen there for the every page? So there is one option. What we will do, we will type like this for the second page. See, I'm going to the second page and I will type the chapter number there. Again, for the second page, you can see the second page is there by putting the cursor or putting the enter to the second page. So we will write the chapter. Again, we have write on the first page. Now we will share the same heading for the second chapter as well. This is the one method. The one method is for typing, but this will be very time consuming for all the chapters, all the page numbers. But what we will do, the second method is what we will copy paste it for every, if there are 10 pages in a Microsoft Word file, if there are 10 pages and every page must have a chapter number 1, that means these pages are for chapter number 1. So we will copy paste, right? We will copy paste. This is a another method, but this is also a time consuming. If there are 100 or 1000, 1000 pages there and we want the same heading for the all pages, then the concept of header footer comes. Now this saves the time, right? How we can do this? So we have to concentrate on header footer option, which is on insert tab. See, you have to click on insert tab, then you have to click on header. See, you can see there is a header for heading. So there you will get the many options related to the header. Whether you want at the top, at the beginning, these are the various options you can find. But I will not go with this options. I will go with edit header. So you can go with your choice, edit header, and the chapter number which you want at the every page or anything else you want. For example, I want page number or date, as you have seen in your notebooks, right? When you bring the notebooks from the market, and you will see the date and page number is at the every page. So how they are put it, whether they are with the cut paste or copy paste or typing, no, it is with the help of your header and footer option. So header and footer, what header and footer will do, it will see the magic. I have typed at the first header, or at the first line, or at the first page. Automatically you can see, you will scroll the pages, you will see all the headings are replaced with that. We will delete the chapter 1 for, isn't it, rest of the things to clear understanding, right? So we will do, and we will scroll down. This is the date page, and we will see up, we will see date pages again, right? If we move the chapters from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 in this manner, the number of pages will increase, the number of pages will show you the same heading or same whatever, whether you have put in the footer, it will show you the same. You can see on the status bar that page number 3 is there, the page number 4 is there, status bar showing the page number 5, isn't it? Now the page number 6, every page has the same heading. You can see every page has the same heading. It's not different. This heading which I have put once is automatically shifted to the other pages. Isn't it a magical? We need not to type again and again, we need not to copy again and again. That means the same heading is for the all the pages, isn't it? So isn't it a magical? So you also try it yourself and see whether it's working or not. For the main editing window, you have to double click on the editing window. You will automatically go to the editing window. When you go double click on that, right? In the similar manner, for example, now I want to insert a page number like the books page number. They are mentioning the page number automatically 1 to 4000 or this. So we have to go to the insert and then we will go to the page number there. See, page number is there. So we will go to page number. Whenever header and footer, you will do the this toolbar will automatically come there in existence. So you will go to the page number and you will see if I have mentioned at the bottom, it will do at the bottom. If I have mentioned at the top, it will mention you at the top. So I have mentioned for the both. So header and footer also showing, the both are showing. So if I want to give a message with that, that is page number 1, right? See, now page number, the text will be, displayed in every page, right? Like the chapter number I was already doing. So page number, page number, page number. So see, the footer is also visible there because I have also choose the footer for that. So footer is also showing the page number, but header is showing the page number with the text, right? So these, if I create the 1000 pages, it will automatically create for the 1000 pages. But the magic is that if I delete it from the fourth page, right? See what happens. Oh, it's gone, right? So this is the limitation of your header and footer. Whenever you delete from one single page, it will automatically delete from rest of the pages. That means it will not be enabled to the other pages. So you have to keep in mind that whenever you delete something, delete it carefully, right? So hope this will be clear to you. Thank you so much. Let's meet on second series of this topic.